Hello, dear drivers. Today we'll tackle a challenging traffic rules quiz. It's not just new drivers who forget this rule. A red car, a tram, and a trolleybus arrive at an intersection simultaneously. Who will go last? Question: what is the order of travel at the intersection? Answer options. 1. The tram and trolleybus will turn left simultaneously, then the car will go straight. 2. The red car will go first, then the tram and trolleybus. 3. The tram will go first, the car will go second, and the trolleybus will go last. 4. The trolleybus will go first, then the tram, and the car will go last. 5. The tram will go first, then the trolleybus, and the car will go last. The correct answer to the problem will be waiting for you after analyzing the situation. Don't rush to look at it. Try to solve the problem yourself. Situation analysis. All vehicles are on the same road. However, in this situation, the tram has priority. At any uncontrolled intersection, a tram, regardless of its direction of travel, has priority over non-rail vehicles approaching on the same road. Traffic regulations. According to the traffic regulations, a trolleybus driver is required to yield to vehicles traveling on the same road in the opposite direction before making a left turn. If a trolleybus driver fails to yield to a red car, they may be fined. So, the correct answer is number 3. The tram will pass first, the car will pass second, and the trolleybus will pass last. Be sure to let us know in the comments whether you were able to solve this test and your answer. Subscribe to the channel, like, and share the video with your friends.